So last 24 hours, Goa received good amount of rainfall. Pernem received 77 millimeter of rainfall, followed by Sakri 72 millimeter of rainfall, and other station recorded moderate amount of rainfall, and rainfall activity was widespread over whole Goa. And coming 5 days, we are expecting widespread rainfall. Most of the places in Goa will receive rainfall, and heavy rainfall is expected at one or two places, not one or two, three or four places. We are expecting heavy rainfall activity for today and tomorrow, and from day after tomorrow the rainfall activity will slightly reduced till day 5. And fishermen are advised not to venture into sea because squally weather and rough sea is going to be there in coming 3 to 4 days. So fishermen are not advised to venture into sea. This is monsoon rain. Monsoon is generally from June to September, so this is the last month of monsoon, and this is monsoon rain, and it is because of the low pressure area which formed in Bay of Bengal. At the same time, we have got a offshore trough, which is a meteorological phenomena, and which is running from south Gujarat coast to Kerala coast, and because of that, we are getting whole. If you see satellite picture, the western coast is surrounded by clouds. So it is because of these two effects.
गोंयांतले अंदू आतां मेरेनचे सिजनल पावसाचेर नदर मारीत जाल्यार आतां मेरेन गोंयांत पावस 125 इंचां वयर, मुरगांव केंद्रांत पावस 115 इंच पार, पणजे केंद्रांत 130 इंच पार. आतां मेरेन सरासरी परस 31 इंच मायज. सप्टेंबराचे सुरवातीकूच पावसान 125 पार केल्या. परिस्थिती अजून 2-3 दीस अशीच. ते शिवाय मोसमी पावस सोंपूंक अजून 3-4 सप्तक आसात.
16-20 आमच्या कंट्रोल रुमासून आमकां फोन येयलो की घराचेर माड पडलो म्हणटकूच आमी इमिजिएटली आनी रॉंग ना सेकंदान आमी गाडी टर्न आवट केले, स्पॉटार पावलो आनी तेजे ते माडा वयले माड तो ओड आसलो माड तो सारको तुज्या फुडल्या शपराचेर पडलो पत्र्याचेर आनी तेचे मातशें डॅमेज जालें तेचे आनी ते आमी इमिजिएटली कट केले आनी आमी सगळें क्लियर करून आनी रोड क्लियर करून दिला.
माड आतां पडला हेका नाजाल्यार आतां कितले पाट सांगले आपोवन पासून हाडलो तेका कातोर म्हणून तेणें गजाल करून मागीर कोत्ता पळोवया म्हूण सांगलां तेणें. आयकोन आतां माड पडलो आतां कितें सगलें पळय पोतरी सगळीं काबार जाली म्हाजी कोण पळयतलो.
प्रुडंटा खातीर ब्युरो वांगडा व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट चेतन गवस.